Hello students, I am Mom Rose. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming videos. Happy learning! In this video, I will be teaching you how to subtract integers using one easy rule. Integers is a set of whole numbers and negative numbers. To visualize that one, we have here the number line. From 0 going to the right infinitely, that is where positive integers lie. While from 0 going to the left infinitely, that is where our negative integers lie. We are done discussing addition of integers in our previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can find the link below. Now we are now on subtracting integers using one simple rule, and that is add the first number to the opposite of the second number. We will be using this rule all throughout this video. Let us try answering 5 minus 3. Following our simple rule, we have to add the first number to the opposite of the second number, which means to say that we won't be having any changes in the first number, and then from subtraction, it will now become addition, and the second number, which is positive 3, will become negative 3. Let us visualize this one using a number line. Let us first locate 5 in the number line. And then since that is negative 3, we will be moving 3 units to the left of 5. 1, 2, 3. We ended up with positive 2. That means to say 5 plus negative 3 is equal to 2. Well, this one is quite easy because this is our regular subtraction. So how about we'll consider more negative numbers? We have here negative 7 minus negative 4. Following our simple rule, we won't be having any changes with the first number. Our subtraction will become addition, and the opposite of our second number, which is negative 4, will become positive 4. Let us now solve this problem using a number line. We will first locate negative 7, and since that is positive 4, we will be moving 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We ended up with negative 3. Therefore, negative 7 plus 4 is equal to negative 3. We can also solve negative 7 plus 4 without the number line, but instead using the two simple rules of adding integers. Number 1, if our given have the same sign, that's positive plus positive or negative plus negative, we will simply add the two numbers and then copy their sign. Number 2, if they have different signs, that is positive plus negative or negative plus positive, we will subtract the two numbers, then copy the sign of the larger number. In our given, we have here different signs, negative 7 and positive 4. That means to say we will be subtracting these two numbers. We have 7 minus 4 is 3, and then the larger number is 7, which is negative. Therefore, our final answer is also negative, making our final answer negative 3. So we can use the number line or the rules in adding integers in arriving at the same answer. Now let us try answering this using a number line. Let us start with negative 3 minus negative 8. We will first follow one simple rule, and that is add the first number to the opposite of the second number. That means to say we won't be changing our first number. We will be making subtraction to addition, and the opposite of our second number, which is negative 8, will be positive 8. With this, we will first locate negative 3 in the number line, and since that is positive 8, we will be moving 8 units to the right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We ended up with positive 5. Therefore, negative 3 minus negative 8 is equal to positive 5. Let's now proceed to negative 1 minus 9. Let us rewrite this one using our one simple rule, and that is add the first number to the opposite of the second number. So we won't be changing our first number, our subtraction will become addition, and our second number, which is positive 9, will become negative 9. And now, we will be locating negative 1 in the number line, and since that is negative 9, we will be moving 9 units to the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We ended up with negative 10. Therefore, negative 1 minus 9 is equal to negative 10. Now let us try answering the following without using the number line. Let us start with number 1, 9 minus negative 8. Again, we will be rewriting this one using our one simple rule, and that is add the first number to the opposite of the second number. So our first number will be retained, our subtraction will become addition, and our negative 8 will become positive 8. Now 9 plus 8 is our regular addition, so we can simply get our final answer, which is 17. Therefore, 9 minus negative 8 is equal to 17. Next is number 2, negative 6 minus negative 10. Following our one simple rule, we will be retaining our first number, our subtraction will become addition, and our second number, which is negative 10, will become positive 10. Now, recalling the rules of adding integers, if we have different signs, we will be subtracting the two numbers. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now, the sign of 4 will depend on the larger number, which is 10. Since 10 is positive, our final answer is also positive. Therefore, negative 6 minus negative 10 is equal to positive 4. We are now on number 3. 8 minus 6. Since this is our regular subtraction, we can easily find our final answer here, and that is positive 2. We are now on number 4. 10 minus 15. Following our simple rule, we will be retaining our first number, we will be replacing subtraction with addition, and we will be changing our second number, which is positive 15, to negative 15. Now, since this is addition, we will be following the rules of adding integers. If they have different signs, we will be subtracting the numbers. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Now, the sign of 5 will depend on the larger number, which is 15. Since 15 is negative, our answer should also be negative. Therefore, 10 minus 15 is equal to negative 5. We are now on our last item, negative 3 minus 11. Following our simple rule, we will be retaining our first number, we will be changing subtraction to addition, and the second number, which is positive 11, will become negative 11. And now, since this is addition, we will be following the rules on adding integers. If we have the same sign, it states that we will simply add up the two numbers. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. And then we will simply copy the common sign, which is negative. Therefore, negative 3 minus 11 is equal to negative 14. Special shout out to the following people: my supportive student, Ms. Aliana Falier, Sir Ralph J. Makuma Magsalay and his channel, Pinoy Mathematician. Another student of mine is Ken Verson, my little brother, John Mark Babi Espina, and another supportive student, Bridget Kyle V. Abapo. That is all for today. Thank you and see you on our next video lesson.